Generally, we say that we are having a hair color that is black. Someone says that she or he is having a brown colored hair. So this black colored hair, brown colored hair, that is what is some kind of appearance that we say. But in science, such appearances or expressions is termed as phenotype. Yes, you're right. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about genotype and phenotype. So there are two terms in genetics that we generally use, that is genotype and another is phenotype. So let's talk about the differences between these two terms. So for understanding the differences, we can take a very simple example. Let's say eye color. If someone is having, we are saying that someone is having a black colored eye. Black colored eye. Whereas someone is having a red colored eye. So these appearances or expression is termed as phenotype. But from where we are getting these expressions? We are getting these expressions from the genes or their patterns. So those patterns of genes are termed as genotype. So example that this black colored eye is denoted by capital B. So in the genotype section, we assume that the gene is going to be in these homologous pair and that can either be capital B for the appearance black, or they can be capital B small b if the appearance is black. But if the appearance is red and we are knowing that this is the recessive condition because this one is the dominant, so in this condition the genotype is only and only going to be small b, small b. So the pattern of gene is termed as genotype and the expression of this genotype is termed as the phenotype. That's all for today and this video, genotype and phenotype. I hope that now you can differentiate very clearly between these two terms. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.